Aliens, extraterrestrial beings. We've heard countless stories, seen countless movies, but what if there's more to the universe than we can see? Could there actually be life beyond Earth? Today we're diving deep into the age-old question. Do aliens exist? Stick around as we explore science, history, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Before we dive into the evidence, let's clarify what we mean by aliens. We could be talking about microscopic organisms living on distant planets, or intelligent civilizations capable of communicating across galaxies. There's a broad spectrum of possibilities, from bacteria to advanced technological species. Scientists have been actively searching for alien life for decades. Missions to Mars, Jupiter's moon Europa, and Saturn's moon Enceladus are based on the hypothesis that life could exist where liquid water is present. The SETI Institute also scans the skies for radio signals that could indicate intelligent life. We found organic molecules on Mars, and some of Saturn's moons have oceans beneath their ice, increasing the chances for life. But if the universe is so vast, with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets, where is everyone? This is the essence of the Fermi paradox. The universe is so big, yet we haven't found any concrete evidence of aliens. So what could explain this silence? Scientists and philosophers have come up with several theories to explain this paradox. Maybe intelligent civilizations are too far apart, or they self-destruct before they can explore the stars. Perhaps they're avoiding us, or are so advanced that we can't even recognize them. Another theory suggests they could exist in forms that we don't yet understand, perhaps not even based on carbon like us. What about the famous UFO sightings and alleged alien encounters? Roswell in 1947, the mysterious Area 51, or the Phoenix Lights of 1997. These events have sparked endless debates. Some believe these are clear evidence of alien visitation, while others think they're misunderstandings, hoaxes, or secret military operations. It was unlike anything I'd ever seen. Bright lights in the sky, moving in ways no human craft could. In recent years, even governments have started taking UFOs more seriously. The US government declassified several videos showing mysterious flying objects. These have reignited the debate. Could aliens be visiting Earth? While there's no definitive proof, these encounters make us question what we truly know. But whether or not aliens have visited Earth, many scientists believe the best chance of finding life might be in discovering exoplanets. These are planets orbiting distant stars, many of which sit in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Thousands of these planets have already been discovered. So do aliens exist? The truth is, we don't know for sure. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. We may be on the verge of a major discovery, or we might remain alone in the cosmos. But one thing is certain, our search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. What do you think? Could aliens be out there? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, with links to other related videos and social media handles.